Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to wear your lingerie pieces as your everyday daily wear. So if you're interested, then please keep watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe down below. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. I'd love to have you here. Turn on your post notification button so that you get notified every time I upload. But without further ado, let's get started. So since I've been working at Victoria's Secret, it's been about 4 years since I've been working with the company. I have learned how to wear lingerie as like your everyday wear. You spend a lot of money on your lingerie. I know lingerie can range from like $20 all the way to like hundreds of dollars. So it's really important to get the wear out of your pieces. Victoria's Secret is now moving towards this lifestyle lingerie, and both of the pieces I'm wearing today are from Victoria's Secret, which is amazing. So this like wrap top, this leopard dress. If you have your eye out for these types of pieces, then it's really easy to wear. So let's just get on straight with the outfits and the tips that I have for you. The first thing I'll mention is that this isn't everyone's style. I totally understand that. That's why I tried my best to make different outfits ranging in styles, some really preppy and classic looks, but then also some really edgy, chic looks. And when I say lingerie, it's not really like sexy bedtime wear. It's really like stuff that I get from Victoria's Secret. And I'm just calling it lingerie because it's probably in that category, or like sleep apparel. So the first thing I'd say is get yourself a lacy cami. Lacy camis are so versatile. I just wear them as if they're like my tank tops. They're so easy to wear, especially underneath blouses like these, blouses, knit sweaters, dresses, low plunging necklines. I wear lace camis under everything, and you can even make this like a lace cami slip dress, which is really nice as well if you ever want to wear it as a dress and then wear something on top. That kind of goes to my second tip or like item, I guess, is the dress that I'm wearing right now. It's like a leopard dress, and I guess you could wear it on its own or you could wear it at night or whatever. But I actually wear it as a dress, casually. I've been on the lookout for a high-waisted midi skirt that's leopard print. But to be honest, I don't think I actually have to find it anymore because this dress works really well for that. So my biggest tip with a slip dress is just to make sure it's long enough. You never want to get a slip dress that's a little too short because then it really looks like it's supposed to be a nightgown or like something like you wear at night. So make sure it's tasteful, great in length. I love the length of this one. It's in a size medium. But it's so easy to pair with like a leather jacket or a sweater. I love this piece and I'm going to wear it so much for fall. So the next tip that I have for you guys is to invest in a really cute bustier bralette. On my nights out, I've worn it on its own to look a little bit more tasteful and wearable for every day. Wear it with high-waisted skirt or wide leg pants or jeans. Wearing a crop top is really easy to pair with something that's balanced out, gonna cinch your waistline in. You just wanna make sure you're balancing these pieces. I think the biggest reason why people feel like afraid to wear lingerie in public is because you can't just wear the piece on its own and expect it to completely cover you and style your outfit. You really have to style up the piece that you want to feature. So like I'm showing you here with wearing something over on top of the bustier or wearing a high-waisted skirt, there's a lot of different ways to pair it. And again, I know this isn't everyone's style, but I just want to show you from the pieces of what I have and kind of how I would fit it into my wardrobe. The next thing is not to be afraid of lace. Lace can be very tasteful as long as you get the right texture, color, and print. So when I see like lacy cheetah print, that doesn't really scream like wearable to me. But when I see a really beautiful florally delicate lace, I love pairing that with pieces underneath. So I'll wear like a lace cami or something lacy over my t-shirts or my blouses or my dresses, like anything fitted, and then I'll wear the lace cami or whatever on top. I've done this in my previous styling videos, and I really go to this a lot, especially in the winter. I'm going to be pairing it with a turtleneck and the lace cami over. You can always wear them as like underwear if you need to. So with like low plunging necklines, I always pair lace cami because I'm very conscious of my chest area and I just want to make sure that I'm covered up as much as possible without it ruining my outfit and looking like I'm wearing like a cut across tank top, like a cotton top. My next tip when it comes to lingerie is to not be afraid to let it show. So like I said in the beginning of the video, not everybody likes to show off their lingerie. It might not be everybody's style, but there are a lot of ways to look conservative while showing off your intimates or your lingerie. So like you could wear a high neck bralette that's completely covered in lace, but then wear something that only shows this much of skin when you're wearing it on top. Something that I've learned as I've shopped and as I've worked at Victoria's Secret is that it's not just the teddies or the bodysuits or it's not just the things that are marketed as lingerie pieces. Look for pajama pants too. Look for your pajama sets that have that little lace fashion element to it. Like these pajama pants here, they are so comfortable, but they've got that lace detail at the bottom at the ankle. So it's really easy to wear, pajama sets as your regular daily wear as well. I personally wear this to work. I think it's a really cute way to dress up any plain old black pair of pants. It's a little different than just wearing black work pants. So I really like that aspect of it too. My last and final tip is just to have fun with it. So I've seen a lot of Instagram videos with girls wearing it a lot of different ways. They show off a little bit of skin at their midriff. They'll show off skin, coming off the shoulder, and just play with it. Take the pieces that you have, whether it's blouses, jackets, whatever it is, try it off the shoulder, try it wrapped up, try it cropped up or like tucked underneath, because you'd be surprised when you play with your items, you kind of move them around and you create that interest tying it in a knot. When you do that, you're able to feature little hints of the lace and little hints of the lingerie. You don't want to put the whole thing full-fledged on show. I mean, if that's the look you're going for, then by all means. But for me, I don't want to full on show everything. So just showing a little bit makes it really, really tasteful. So just keep that in mind. You don't have to show everything. Just show a little peek, and I think that keeps it very interesting. So those are all my tips actually for wearing your lingerie into your everyday wear. It might seem pretty easy to do, but I find that a lot of people, especially customers that I work with at Victoria's Secret, they're very hesitant and they're like, oh no, I could never wear this as regular day-to-day wear. So I just wanted to show you or encourage you, if you like this kind of style, try it out. You'd be surprised how easy it is and how versatile a piece of lingerie goes in your wardrobe. So try it out. Let me know if you do in the comments down below. If you do post a picture on Instagram, please tag me. I'd love to see you guys wearing it. But with that, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll talk to you on Saturday. Bye.